Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to you all children. You all are well?
Yes, sir.
Most welcome in this mathematics class. Today we have to start math at primary level. Students were shouting too much to learn multiplication table in English. They were feeling it hard to read multiplication table in English with proper understanding. So I felt it essential to demonstrate it in pictorial form so that even the students of standard 1 and the students of standard 5 can understand it in the same way, that in very comfortable and easiest way. So you all are ready?
Yes, sir.
But before starting this, I would ask you oral questions, must respond to it positively. What date is today?
25th of July 2020.
Which day is today?
Saturday.
Which subject we have to study? Right
Mathematics.
now? What will be the topic there?
Multiplication tables.
Okay. Multiplication table we have to study today. And this will include elements of multiplication, pictorial representation, reading skills, writing skills, English versus Hindi style of multiplication table, and word problems based on multiplication table. All these will be elaborated step by step. So let us start it. Multiplication chart and pictorial form. That is basically pictorial representation. In Hindi people call it पहाड़ा. हिंदी भाषी पहाड़ा के नाम से जानते हैं, इंग्लिश में मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल के नाम से जाना जाता है. In English it is read as 2 1 ja 2. People often ask what is the meaning of literal meaning of 2 1 ja 2. Actually, the word vanja has been derived from the word once are, and in pictorial form it is as follows. One ball is here and another is here. In Hindi ये दो बॉक्स हैं, एक में एक बॉल है, दूसरे में दो बॉल है, एक बॉल है, और एक बॉल को जोड़ने से दो होता है. इस प्रक्रिया को संक्षिप्त में गुना करने की विधि से 2 1 जा 2 लिखा जाता है. 2 तो आप जानते ही हैं TWO 2, और ये दो जगह है, वंस है, तो एक वन ये है, एक वन ये है. तो इसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए गणितीय भाषा में सिर्फ एस लगा दिया गया है. वन में एस लगा दिया गया है. 2 वंस और आर ARE हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. 2 1 are 2. लेकिन ओरेशन में क्या होता है कि इसका उच्चारण ज है, एस जो लगा हुआ है वन में, इसका उच्चारण ज हो जाता है, और आर का आ केवल उच्चारित होता है और RE साइलेंट रह जाता है, जिस कारण से 2 1 जा 2 पढ़ा जाता है. इसका संक्षिप्त फॉर्म यानी मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म ये है 2 1 are 2. English it is read as 2 1 ja 2. In the same way, when we read 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4 means 2 balls have been arranged in 2 separate boxes. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and in shortest form, that is multiplication form, we write it 2 1 ja 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That is, in words it is written as 2 2s are 4. This S again pronunciated as jaw, and RE remains silent. R is pronounced loudly. So it becomes 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. RE becomes silent and S becomes converted, it becomes pronounced as jaw. Next, 2 3s are 6. It means in pictorial form, 2 balls have been arranged in 3 separate boxes. See, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6, and it is written as 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and in words it is read as 2 3s are 6. That means 2 balls are there in 3 separate boxes, and when we count it in a group, then it becomes 2 3s are 6. 3 indicates grouping, 2s indicates grouping, 1s indicate grouping, and 4s indicate grouping, 5s. In this way, we see 2 5s, 2 5s. That means 2 is coming 5 times. 2 4s means 2 is coming 4 times. 2 6s means 2 comes 6 times. In this way, we will practice it. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. That is 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. You all are understanding well?
Yes, sir.
Your idea for pronunciation is clear?
Yes, sir.
That is J and R. Your problem was why it is pronunciated as a Ja. That is we write 2 4s are 8 and we read it 2 4 Ja. The logic is this, that S is pronounced as Ja and A is pronounced loudly and RE becomes silent. That is the logic over here. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. In this way, we have it has been arranged in separate box. You can watch it properly and draw it on your notebook so that you can understand this pictorial representation very easily, comfortably. At last level, I have drawn this bigger diagram. 2 plus 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 2 10 times, and it results to 20. 20, 2 10s are 20. In words, it is 2 10s are 20 and is read as 2 10s are 20. Now a question arises, what are the elements of this multiplication? This one is this is called as multiplier, not and this is multiplicand and this is multiplier. You have to write here. See. And this is multiplicand. This one is multiplicand and this is multiplier. This one is product. In this way, you can write more and more multiplication table like 3. In Hindi, it is read as people read only this. 2 का 2, 2 दूनी 4, 2 का 6, 2 चौका 8, 2 पचे 10, 2 छक 12, 2 चौके 14, 2 अठे 16, 2 नमा 18, 2 दहें के 20. But in English, it is read as 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. To clear this very concept, this pictorial representation helps a lot. So you must draw this diagram on your notebook and get it checked. In this way, you can easily write all the successive tables very comfortably. And your homework is word problem, that is, if the cost of one ball is ₹2, then what will be the cost of 7 such balls? And second question is, calculate cost of 10 balls when one ball costs ₹2 only. This is sufficient for today. In next class we will discuss more about word problem based on multiplication table. You solve from your lesson 8. Thank you very much for participating in this multiplication table class. All the best. See you in next class.